Hello, in front of me I have ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe left and then tap on the settings icon. Here scroll down and select more settings. Then scroll down and tap on manage battery. Here select Power Manager, and as you can see we have a three profiles right here: normal mode, power saving mode and extreme mode. To turn on the normal power saving mode, just tap on power saving mode to select it. You can read this message and then tap on open to turn it on. You can also turn on the extreme mode, just tap on it. Tap open. As you can see, we have access only to few apps and the screen is dimmed quite a lot and the text is white and background is blackish. And to exit this mode, you just tap on the exit extreme mode and then tap OK. You can also turn on the extreme power saving mode another way. To do it, open the quick panel by swiping upwards from the bottom of the screen. Here let's tap on the edit icon, right here. We have extreme mode icon right here. We need to press and hold on it and then drag it to the list above. Go back, open the quick panel again, swipe left, tap on the extreme mode icon, tap on open, and to exit it again, just tap on the exit extreme mode and tap OK. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.